Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Eduaide account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Eduaide account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in eduaide.ai and make a search. The official page of Eduaide's account will appear on the screen. Tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen and from the drop down tap on Sign In. Now to create an account, enter your email address and tap on Sign In with email. A sign-in link will be sent to your email address. Open your email and tap on Mail sent by Eduaide. Click on Sign In link and tap on Continue. This is how you can sign up for your Eduaide account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.